You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly in French. This is a name of French origin. It's a surname. It's the name of a fairly popular DJ in French. Hugel is the French pronunciation. U, that's the sound of the letter U. U, very French. The H is silent. And then gel, not Hugel. Hugel. How to pronounce French pronunciation. Hugel. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.